Hello and happy Halloween. This is Tanya Atomic and today I'm going to be unboxing HorrorPack for October. I hope everybody out there is having a fun and safe Halloween, even if it means you're just staying at home watching movies, which is what I'm going to be doing with my husband. And it might look like I'm getting ready for the holidays with my eye look, but actually I am testing out the Sweet Dreams palette by Peachy Queen, and I'll be posting a video on that very soon, in the next couple of days. But today is my HorrorPack unboxing, so let's get into that. HorrorPack is a monthly subscription. I have the Blu-ray. You get four, basically for the price of one, and you get 4 Blu-rays or DVDs per month. They come in here, and I don't know if it's always this way, but I've been getting one limited edition one in each pack. First one is Dead Dicks. I have never heard of this movie. I've never heard of this movie yet. It says Richie is a suicidal young man who every time he kills himself finds himself very much alive, but with a dead body of himself in his apartment. That sounds really interesting. So I see it's dead hymns over and over and over. That sounds really interesting. I am interested in watching that movie. I am intrigued. The next one is The Barn. Oh, this is a limited edition Blu-ray. Written and directed by Justin Seaman. This is a limited edition Blu-ray for HorrorPack. And it says it's Halloween in 1989, and two best friends, I'm paraphrasing, two best friends are enjoying their last Devil's Night before graduating high school. Trouble arises when a group of friends take a detour and find an old abandoned barn, and awakening the evil inside. Oh goodness. So this is I'm intrigued by this as well. I haven't seen this one yet, or the other one. And it's a limited edition Blu-ray, which is very cool to have. Okay, next we have Lights Out by, Lights Out. Have I seen this? I don't think I've seen this one either. It says, growing up, Rebecca never knew what lay behind the terror lurking in the dark. When she left home, she thought she'd left her fears behind. Now her little brother Martin is experiencing the same unexplained events, which tested her sanity. There's a supernatural entity it goes on to talk about. And I don't think I've seen this one. Lights Out. And then the very last one, is Carrie, which I've seen many times. I enjoy Carrie. I love Sissy Spacek, and I read, that was one of my first horror books that I ever read, was Carrie. When I was like, was I in junior high? I was probably around like 12, 13. Anyway, I don't have this yet, so now I have it on Blu-ray. So yay, that's exciting. How cool. And it also has special features. There's a documentary. Oh, there's 2 documentaries. There's a featurette on Carrie the Musical. And there is a trailer and a couple other kind of smallish ones. But the documentaries are cool to have. So that's very cool. I'm excited about having Carrie. I don't have that yet, and now I have it. So... So that is everything. Do you get HorrorPack? What do you think of HorrorPack? Do you like to review the movies? I review the movies when I do watch them, but I have so many on my watch list that I don't always get to watch these, so I have like a stack of them. But when I do get a chance to watch them, I do mini reviews in my mini review playlist for those. Anyway, so yeah, let me know what you think in the comments below, or if you have links to your own reviews or your own unboxings. That is it for today's video. Happy Halloween, and thanks for watching.